Hope you hear me good. It's Mr. Urban Hiker Guy here. I am in Baltimore, and on this path, it's a multi-use path, I guess, for walking and biking. But I'm at Baltimore International Airport, BWI, and it goes all the way around the entire airport complex. I've done a good portion of it in the past. It's about 10 miles if you want to complete the whole loop. But I'm on my way to right up. There's a train, not a train. It's an airplane spotting location where you can sit and watch the planes as they fly into the land on the runway. So we're gonna go check that out. All right, this is the airfield. I think this is the part of the airport. I think I'm near the Southwest Airlines terminal. But I know airplanes are gonna be taking off from here, and I assume they land here as well. Actually, here we go. We got a Southwest plane coming up, getting ready to get in position to land, to take off. It's like a Frontier plane coming in for a landing, and Southwest is coming around, and they're going to be taking off here shortly. We'll watch that. Yeah, just observing Southwest getting in position. Yeah, I'm here in Baltimore, as I said. I got here about 7:45 this morning, coming from Columbus, Ohio. I thought I was gonna get a load out today. Unfortunately, I'm probably gonna be here until tomorrow. But while we're here, we get to see some planes take off. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool spot. There's some other folks, like this is the spot, in position, watching the planes come in and take off here. This is the where would I see that sign later on. All right. I wish I could tell you what type of plane it is, but all I know is it's Southwest. There's another one. Let me zoom out, and you can see down here, Frontier Airline. They're coming in to take. Okay, so it was waiting for this UPS plane to land. So I'm assuming once he lands, Southwest is going to move into position to take off. All right, we're taxiing around, getting in position to face the right direction on the runway. Southwest, some people going somewhere. Southwest used to be known as a peanut airline, still like a budget airline. Oh, here we go. Hear the turbines spinning up. Oh, yeah. And away we go. It's approaching its speed, V1 speed, where it lifts up the landing gear and goes up in the air. And at some point it's gonna go in the air. Next up is Frontier. How cool is that? This is the path. Like I said, it's like a 10-mile loop, and it takes you all the way around the airport. And and there's people here just chilling, relaxing, watching the planes come in. I mean, it's nice. It's one if you want like a spot to get a good walk, nice trail. We don't have to worry about cars. This is definitely a good place to come. We got another. I assume it's Southwest. Southwest and Frontier is the only ones I've been seeing coming in. Coming in for a landing. As fast as they land, they take off. Well, other planes are queued up to take off. They got a nice little playground and restroom here too. And I'm continuing on the journey. Weather is perfect. It's really nice evening. It doesn't get too much better than this. Nice evening, nice path. Man, life is good when you know how. This trail reminds me of near where I live, the Cape Fear Trail in North Carolina. Very much, asphalt, wide, 8-foot wide trail. Very nice, quiet, peaceful, good contemplative trail. A trail for thinking. This is me thinking. All right. Well, I just got done walking around that. Well, no, I didn't walk around it. Walking a portion of that trail going around BWI Airport. Really nice. A lot of people out there plane spotting. It seems like it's almost like as the sun goes down, people brought out their lawn chairs and blankets and families. Just watching the planes come in and take off. It was kind of nice, really nice. But I hope everybody had a good day today. And the sun will shine again tomorrow. Stay encouraged, and always remember, the journey continues.